Hi all, I bet you don't know what this is. Yeah, you can look at it. Okay, so this is TPMS or tire pressure monitor system. What you have in almost all cars, let's say, that are 10 years ago or even 15 years ago, they started putting this inside the rim. And this is basically measuring the tire pressure. And if you have a flat tire or a problem with the tire, it will let this kind of light your front monitor or the dashboard, and you will see this mark, and this means that you have a problem with your tire and you need to check if it is a flat tire or just missing some air. So basically, yeah, there are many kinds of this, and usually they are working on several frequencies. The frequencies are 315 megahertz or 433 megahertz, and it measures the pressure like this. I will show you. By the way, this is original of Chevrolet Cruze 2016, which is now more than 10 years, and it stopped working. All of the four stopped working. So I bought some replacement, not this one by the way, I'm using another one, but go like this. This is the valve where you inflate the air inside your car, and the other side is basically connected on this. You have a hole here, and this is just mechanical attachment. Basically it is not measuring the pressure through this valve, it is measuring the pressure. Here you can see there is a tiny hole, so this is the pressure air that comes in. On this side, on this type, you have the, here you can see there is a hole, so in this hole it is measuring the pressure of the air. And if you're replacing them, you need to activate them. Another thing that I bet that none of you knows after reading, that you need to replace, it is written somewhere, need to replace the valve on each replacement of the tire, which means every time you're replacing or maybe fixing a tire problem, you have to replace also this part of the valve. Why? I don't know why, but maybe this is in order to make sure that everything works okay. So after you're replacing, you need to do a relearn for your tire system, and you do it with a simple, you can buy very simple things on AliExpress. For example, this one, EL50448, and this is basically what it is doing. It is activating this module for relearning, so the car will know which pressure is where, in what wheel. Usually it is going from the driver side wheel and clockwise around all the wheels, so you have to press for each tire this, and you usually get a horn feedback, so you will know that it is attached okay to your system, and then this is how it is working. And inside there is a battery. The battery is non-replacement, so you can see this is like a one-time usage, although you can of course use Dremel, try to cut and get to the battery, but it's not very good thing to do. And also you have these cheap models that are a replacement of the original model, which are working pretty well, so no issue with them, and the price is maybe 1/10 of the original, and they will work just perfect. Here the battery of course is here on this side. Maybe I can try to cut it. I will maybe do another video to show the battery inside, and it is if you cut it you can replace it, but it is not recommended, let's say. On some of the TPMS, before you get the LED of the pressure problem, you can also program them to which pressure it will lit the LED of the warning in the car. Yeah, so not all of them, some of them are non-programmable, but some of them you can change the tire pressure that you want that this LED, this light will turn on. Just some of them, not just many of the, let's say, more fancy car and more expensive car, you can control this number in the car, but usually you can't do anything about it. It just, when it arrives specific pressure, it will just lit on. So that's all about TPMS for now. Thank you and bye.